Hello everyone, my name is Dica. Currently, I am pursuing BA Developmental Economics in my fifth semester. Through this video, I'll be talking about my critical essay that is on the topic the economics of pharmaceutical innovation in USA. So before starting the essay, we had some difficulties to understand the rubrics. So me and my friend Chokyongmo, we decided to sit together in the class and discuss the rubrics and explain to one another. So we got some clarity after discussion. So we both were happy. The literature review focuses on the economics of pharmaceutical innovation in United States. The literature review method involves steps such as defining the research topic at the beginning of the essay. In the essay, there is also a citation of many studies done before, and there is also utilization of statistical data like figure 1, 2, 3 that present data related to the revenue of the US pharmaceutical industry, research and development expenditure, and prescription drugs prices. These figures help to visualize trend and provide quantitative content. And there is also exploration of many concepts and theories in this essay. Theories such as pharmaceutical innovation and pharmaceutical industry revenue, research and development expenditure, high drug cost. These are the concepts which are clearly described in the essay. And in the summary, the literature review in this essay effectively explore key concepts and theories related to the economics of pharmaceutical innovation in US. It relies on the data, statistics, and citation from the many sources to support its argument and shape the reader's understanding of the topic. The essay on the economics of pharmaceutical innovation in US employs an analytical approach to interpret the information and data presented. The essay begins with presenting data related to revenue of the US pharmaceutical industry over many years, which is presented in figure 1, research and development expenditure present in figure 2, and opinions on the drugs prices that is represented in figure 3. This data is collected from many sources. And then there is also data interpretation. The analytical process starts with interpreting the data presented in figures. For instance, the essay notes that in 2022, the domestic pharmaceutical revenue was around $364,129 million, while the foreigner revenue was $165,063 million. Similarly, the data on research and development expenditure is also interpreted, indicating that pharmaceutical companies spend more than 21% of their revenue on research and development. And there is also the comparison and trend analysis. The essay utilized historical data from 1975 to 2022 to compare the trend in pharmaceutical industry revenue. It notes that the total revenue in 2022 was the highest during this period. And at the end of the research, there is the conclusion is drawn. The essay concludes by summarizing the key findings and insight drawn from the data analysis. Few challenges that I faced while doing the research on the economics of pharmaceutical innovation in USA are assessing accurate and up-to-date data related to pharmaceutical industry revenue, research and development expenditure, drug prices. But then this challenge is solved by utilizing or by searching the information through sources such as government reports, industry publication, and academic database. Another challenge is the pharmaceutical industry is complex in USA. Understanding and explaining this complexity was challenging at some point, but then I could the solution for this was reading more and more information from the various sources and breaking down the complex concepts into manageable section. Another challenge faced was uh, complexity of healthcare system in US. Healthcare system is complex in US compared to other countries. But then the solution was I focus on the specific aspects of healthcare system relevant to my research question and clearly define and scope of my analysis in order to avoid overwhelming complexity. So these are the few challenges and the solution that I has encountered while doing the research. While researching and preparing the essay on the economics of pharmaceutical innovation in USA, I gained many valuable insights and knowledge, such as through the research I gained a deeper appreciation for the economic impact of pharmaceutical industry in the United States. I learned that pharmaceutical companies allocate uh, efficient portion of their revenue to development and research. I also learned that on the data on the prescription drugs prices and public opinion on the cost, highlighting the pressing issue in the healthcare system. I also understood that the regulatory environment, particularly in terms of drugs approval and pricing, related the complexity of bringing pharmaceutical product to market. And I was surprised by the dominance of US pharmaceutical companies on the global stage, learning that the US accounts for about half of the worldwide pharmaceutical market raised question about the implication of these domains for the global healthcare and economics. I also learned about the COVID-19 impact on research and development. I also learned on the balancing industry success and public interest, and this essay touched on the various disciplines including economics, healthcare policy, ethics, and public opinion. This interdisciplinary nature made me appreciate how complex topics often required a holistic approach to understanding. If I have to relate the health economics, the module that we are currently studying, to my essay topic, that is the economics of pharmaceutical innovation in USA, my essay talk about how complex the health system in US is compared to other countries, which we already learned in the class. My essay also talks about the high prices of the healthcare system, particularly the medical facilities such as drugs, medicine. And in my essay, it is also proven that USA is the major contributor of healthcare facilities throughout the world, and it also makes a maximum profit by contributing and being the major contributor of in the sector of health. Thank you, and here I end my blog.